12th standard English grammar conditional class revision. Now we are going to learn about conditional class, that is a revision. Okay, already we had learned. Again we have to revise through this tabular column. First we should know about this tabular column, then after complete this, then we will do that exercise from first to third time. Okay. What is the conditional class? Then we have to divide the two parts of the sentence. One is condition part, another one is result part. Okay, how will you make this condition part and how will you make the result part? First I am going to say about it. The first one, possible. Possible. Okay, here first step. Possible, the condition part, if the beginning of the sentence, the condition part we have if plus subject, then B1 it refers first form of verb, always verb plus yes. This verb plus yes, where will you use? We know that. Okay, so when you are using subject is third person singular, we can use verb plus yes. Okay, we know that. The result part, subject plus here will plus verb ing. Okay, 1 minute. Will plus V1. So that is simple feature. Okay, subject, okay, we can use. Then simple feature will or shall plus V1. So that's simple feature, that is result part. Okay. Improbable, that is impossible, otherwise we can use the improbable condition. The condition part, if plus subject plus V2, second form of verb. The condition part, past tense, simple past. The result part, subject plus would, otherwise would, plus V1. Okay, so I will tell you that exercise. First we have to understand the tabular column. Once you understand the tabular column, we will easily make the sentence possible, improbable, unfulfilled condition. Okay, that is very easy through this tabular column. That's why I am showing that. Okay. Next, unfulfilled condition. Unfulfilled condition, already it happened, something. But again we can't recall it. Okay. So here the condition part, if plus subject had plus V3. So had V3. So first we should remind the tense forms. Past perfect. The past perfect, the condition part. The result part, subject plus would have plus V3. So that is third form of verb, past participle. Okay. So again I repeat, the tabular column is very very important. Once you learn the tabular column, just we can easily make the sentence first type, second type, third type. Possible, improbable, unfulfilled condition. Okay. I forgot to say that the improbable we can use the two types. One is improbable, otherwise impossible. Another one is imaginary situation. Imaginary situation means if I were a bird, I would fly. So we can't make this bird. That human being, how will you make this a bird? So we can't use that. So here, if I were a bird, I would fly. Okay, if I were, so was, if I was a bird, we can't use. Okay, if I were a HM, headmaster, okay, I would abolish the exam. I would cancel the exam. Okay, so that is imaginary situation. So we can use that. Another one, zero types. First, second, third is very important. Zero types, universal truth, otherwise scientific facts. If you heat the ice, it melts. It will melt, is wrong. Okay, so that is universal truth or scientific facts. If we have it, that is zero types. First, in these three types, very important for us to learn. Okay, just let us learn that. For examples, sentence I give you. If you play well, that is condition part. The condition part we can't make this complete meaning. Okay, we can't get from this. Okay, the result part we can get the complete meaning. If you play well, you will get medal. you will get, otherwise you will get price. You will get medal. Okay, so this is first type, probable, otherwise possible. Okay, it may be happened. Okay, something it can use the predict. Tomorrow what you are going to do, that's we have to pre-plan. So we can do that, we can achieve it. So that is probable, that is improbable. That is improbable, it's negative form. Possible or probable, that is same sentence is your first type. Okay, if you play well, simple present, the condition part, the result part will get, simple future. As per rule, I have used here. Okay, so next, second one, improbable, that is impossible condition. If you ran, if you ran fast, you would catch the bus. Full stop. If you ran fast, you would catch the bus. If you played well, you would get prize. If you wrote well, if you wrote the exam, you would pass. Okay, so here, if you ran fast, so simple past. So this is improbable condition. I'm talking about improbable condition, second type. Okay, this is condition part, up to fast condition part. What is the result part? You would catch the bus, full stop. Okay, would catch. Would plus V1. The catch is first form of verb. Okay, we know that. So would plus catch. So this is second type, improbable. Let me give one more example. The second type. If you prepared well, if you prepared well, you would get more marks. So this is past conditions. This is past, almost is over these actions. Again, we have to speaking to someone, okay, about this past. If you prepared well, you would get more marks. Okay. If you prepared well, you would get more marks. So this is a rule. Prepare, simple past condition part. The result part would plus V1. Get is first form of verb. Okay. Unfulfilled condition. Unfulfilled condition. Unfulfilled condition, how will you mean? So that is past perfect, the condition part. Result part would have plus V3. Okay. Here, if you had prepared well, you would have, if you had prepared well, you would have got good marks. If you had prepared, what types of tense forms we have learned? Past perfect, the condition part. Up to well, condition part. The result part, you would have you would have got good marks. Okay, would have plus V3. This is third form of verb, past participle. Okay, just let me give one more example. If you had played well, if you had played well, you would have scored. So you would have got prize. Okay. Prize. If you had played well, you would have got a prize. Okay. So this is result part. Which is result part? You would have got a prize. This is result part. The condition part. If you had played well. If you had played well. Okay. So this is third type, unfulfilled condition class. Okay. Just let me give one, that is imaginary situation. This is second type level, that is imaginary situation. Improbable. Do you remember that? Improbable, that is second type, imaginary situation. Okay, how will you make this? Imaginary situation. If plus subject plus verb. Okay. So if the beginning of the sentence, condition part, if plus subject verb. Okay. The result part, subject would plus V1. So that is imaginary situation. So just let me give one sentence. If I were a butterfly, otherwise bird. If I were a bird, I would fly. If I were a bird, I would fly. Okay, so where. So was we should not use. That is the rule. Where. Okay, condition part. If I were a bird, I would fly. Would plus V1 fly. Okay, so okay, I hope you all understood this condition class. Okay, zero types. Okay, we know that first type, probable, improbable, and unfulfilled condition, imaginary situation. Okay, thank you.